This clamping knob is made of high-quality Bakelite, with good toughness and impact resistance. The star head knob is very smooth and very suitable for gripping. Beautiful and practical, safe. Widely used in lathe machinery, mechanical equipment, instruments and industrial equipment. It can also be installed at the bottom of furniture to enhance stability, prevent scratches or noise. The fully threaded screw design is easy to install, disassemble, and adjust. We are manufacturing the LOF of Bakelite knobs, in different sizes, different colors.